Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. And of course, sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, magpapa-free na personal reading si Madam Jean. Okay? Mamimili siya sa mga comment section ng natin dito sa YouTube. So, sana mapili ka. So, mag-comment ka lang. Kasi yung subscribers, guys, hindi niya makikita yan eh. Hindi nakikita yung mga nakaka-subscribe. So, dyan kayo sa comment, mag-comment. Pag nakikita niyang active kayo, maaaring mapili kayo. Mamimili din siya dun sa page niya, tsaka sa group niya, ha? Kaya, feel free na hanapin siya sa Facebook. Page of Swords, Page of Wands. Okay, bakit laging nagpapakita sa atin itong mga pages na ito? The Empress is here. I don't know if you have already watched yung video ko din. Kasi it feels like katatapos mo lang manood ng video ko din. So, maybe this is the second time that you are watching. Okay lang kahit hindi, ha? There's two person na naa-attract sa'yo. They find you attractive and silly. Gusto nila yung sense of humor mo. Gusto nila yung kung ano ka as a person. Maybe pwedeng mas bata sila sa'yo na age. They like you. Gusto ka nila kasi maganda ka or pogi ka. Tapos bukod sa itsura mo is that meron ka pang sense of humor. And also at the same time, maybe you are a very balanced person. Kaya mo ang sarili mo, hindi mo kailangan ng kung sino man. And that maybe you are very talented. Napakatalentado mong tao. I don't know if you're already in a connection or in another relationship. Pero nakamasid itong mga taong ito sa'yo. Tapos just in case matapos yung relationship mo with someone, nakaabang sila. If you are in a relationship. Pero kung hindi, basta itong dalawang taong to, matindi yung paghanga nila sa'yo. Angel number 333. Nagpapakita. Six of Pentacles. The Hermit. Queen of Pentacles. Four of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Pagdating sa love, actually, parang hindi mo naman sigurado. And also at the same time, wala kang idea regarding, pwedeng wala kang idea regarding dito sa tinutukoy ko na to. Or maybe kung meron man, you're okay lang, parang hindi ka masyadong affected. Kasi mas focus ka sa sarili mo, sa pera mo, and maybe pagtulong sa ibang tao. Six of Pentacles, you are a person na magaling or mahilig tumulong. You have this mabait na energy. You are willing to give what you have, share what you have sa ibang tao. And I feel like may tao na ihihiya sa'yo. There's this person who really do likes, I feel like this is another person na nagtatago, hindi nagpapapansin, hindi nagpapakita sa'yo, hindi nagpaparamdam, pero mahal na mahal ka rin or gustong-gusto ka rin itong taong to. And then, dami nagkakagusto sa'yo, guys. Because you are the Queen of Pentacles. You have everything. Like, lalo, well, you know, open naman to sa LGBTQIA+. But especially if you're a woman, tapos, hindi mo kailangan ng kung sino man, mas lalong nakaka-attract yun. You have money, you have success. So, dahil ganun yung energy mo, itong mga taon to, wow, crush ka talaga nila. Yan yung energy. And then there's this person na nagtatago. Tell me about this person na nagtatago. Judgment is here. High chance there's a soulmate connection sa inyong dalawa ng taong to. This is a very hardworking person. Guys, there's the Page of Cups. Another page. So, there's a lot of love coming from this person. So, tatlong page talaga. And yung pages here are showing us your maybe suitors or nagkakagusto talaga sa'yo. Eight of Pentacles, ang focus mo is pera, career. Maybe may something na nag-end sa'yo or sa family. But anyway, for now, wala ka na munang pakialam pagdating dito sa mga pages na ito. So, what will happen in the future for you? Air sign. In the near future for air sign, please. Sorry pala kung nag-aalog-alog yung aking camera, no? Pag nagsha-shuffle. Anyway, nandito na naman si Page of Cups, which is, I told you this is the other person. Or the someone na may gusto na naman sa'yo. Two of Pentacles, the Strength card. This person will try na i-deny yun in the future. With the Chariot, Cancer energy, Ten of Wands, Seven of Swords. The Sun. I don't know, nakikita natin na may someone ka na iiwasan dito in the future. And that you will be focusing sa iyong career or sa happiness mo, rather. With the people na talaga nagmamahal sa'yo. So, I can see you being protected, being happy. With the Strength card, may nakikita tayong person at gusto niya manghimasok sa buhay mo. But with the Two of Pentacles, wala kang time sa kanya. So, with the Page of Cups, there's this person talaga na parang who really do loves you in the future. Pero sa ngayon, masaya ka sa kung ano yung mga meron ka. At hindi ko nakikita na maghahanap ka ng atensyon mula sa iba in the future. Pero marami talaga nakakagusto sa'yo. Pero wala kang pakialam sa kanila. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.